Hi, this is Nick and Virginia from Arizona. We found this product by accident in New York, and when we got home, we contacted GenStone and gave them the measurements. Josh was very helpful online and on the phone. Our project was easy. We wanted to just give a little special touch to our backyard patio area. The wall was just like that, plain and simple. And we had chosen the desert brick, and it was so easy to do. It took us 5 hours to complete this project from beginning to end. Glue, nails, and a little table saw and some hand saw for the little pieces we needed to add from the angle. But it was so easy. We love it. People come by and they're shocked to see that it's not stone. It cleaned well. It was an easy installation, and we're looking forward to doing another project soon. Thanks, GenStone. It's an awesome product.